Welcome to the BlueSphere MDM device management tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to manage your device through the BlueSphere MDM platform. First, navigate to Configuration Device Management. Here, you can manage devices or device groups. Click the group name on the left side of the device management page will show you all the devices in that group. Click the triangle icon to sort and filter devices. Click the right arrow button to view more device details. On the right side of the device's friendly name, you can check the device's sync status. Sync can align the actual configurations on the device with the associated configuration template. The platform will also check the device configurations every 8 hours. If the devices are inconsistent with the associated templates, the status will be displayed as unsync. If the devices match the associated templates, the status will be displayed as sync success. Here, you can also enable or disable the global automated sync. Once the automated sync is turned on, the device will be forced to synchronize the template configurations every 8 hours. By clicking the operation icon, or after selecting multiple devices and clicking the operation button in the top right corner, you can perform operations on the devices, such as sync, changing the device group, installing apps, uninstalling apps, restarting the device, deleting the device, or changing the device tenant, admin only. You can use the search bar to do fuzzy searches for your devices, and this feature also supports saving search history. Now, let me show you how to manage your devices. First, click the device name to go to the device detail page. Here, you can view device details or modify device configurations. In the device overview, you can view the current device's storage, memory, battery status, location information, etc. You can also see the device's hardware and software information, network connection, and display information. You can click the usage limit button to restrict the usage time of each app on the current device. This page allows you to perform quick actions such as restarting the device, sending a message, switching kiosk mode, etc. You can also modify device-related configurations, such as screen lock, whitelist, and Android device permissions. You can choose to use the BlueSphere Settings app or the Android Settings app, Android Original Settings. The BlueSphere Settings app provides more control and customization. When you enable the BS Settings app, you can specify the configurable or setting content here, making it more convenient for admins to manage devices. You can choose the appropriate kiosk mode. Setting the kiosk mode helps restrict device usage based on the application scenario. On the settings page, users can configure all 3 kiosk modes at once, but the last set kiosk mode will be applied to the template. This image will explain the differences between the 3 kiosk modes. In multi-app kiosk mode, click the Add Application button to select the app and app version you need for the multi-kiosk app mode. You can also upload apps here. In advanced settings, you can choose to launch via the BS Launcher or Android Original Launcher. Here, we also show you the difference between the BS Launcher and Android Launcher. If you want to manage pre-installed system apps, you can enter the app package name here to set its status. You can choose whether to display it in kiosk mode or directly disable the app. In advanced settings, you can set a password to exit kiosk mode. If your device uses the BS Launcher as the starter, you can press the volume button, tap the mute button 6 times, and enter the specified password to exit kiosk mode. In single app kiosk mode, add the application you want to lock on the device. Click the Replace Application button to replace the locked app. You can also set a switch kiosk password in advanced settings to exit the locked app and return to kiosk mode. Tap the Home button and enter the password to return to the MDM launcher. In digital kiosk mode, you can choose between video display mode or image display mode. For video display, click the plus More Project button to configure the video playback settings first. Then you can upload your videos. For image display, you can directly select or upload images and set the display duration. You can configure your device on this page. Set Wi-Fi related configurations. You can also change the device's screen settings, sound settings, and time zone here. In the Apps page, you can view the details of the apps installed on the device and their current status. You can search for apps in the search bar and filter by app type. If you need to install apps on the device, click the Install App button in the top right corner, choose the app and the version you need to install. The apps which uploaded in App and File or authorized apps from the Play Store will be displayed here. Click the Scan App button to scan the apps currently on the device. You can also click the Operation button to uninstall or change the app status. BlueSphere MDM supports configuration for some apps. So far configurable apps include WebView, Chrome, Messages, Gmail. First, select the package you need to configure from the drop-down menu. The dialog will show the last edited configuration. If needed, you can click the Save Template button and choose a saved configuration from the drop-down menu. Next, you can edit the configuration and click Save Template. Make sure your configuration is correct, or it will not be saved. Finally, click the Send to Device button in the top right corner to send the new configuration to the current device. Once sent, the configuration will take effect on the device immediately. You can also check the configuration release status and historical commands in the Results section. In Location History, you can view the device's historical location data. Log Capture provides device bug reports, 24-hour ADB log reports, and multi-screen kiosk mode report. Bug Report uses the Android Original Bug Report function. You need to confirm on your device first, then the bug report will be uploaded to the BlueSphere MDM platform. The 24-hour report allows the device to start capturing ADB logs at intervals of at least 30 minutes over a 24-hour period, then the device will upload the logs to the MDM platform. If your device is using the multi-screen kiosk mode, then you could use the kiosk report to monitor the status of the multi-screen. Remote Viewer and Control allows you to remotely access and operate the device. Click the Start Session button to begin remote access. The maximum session duration is 15 minutes, and the device needs to be unlocked before access. You can click the Screenshot button to capture a real-time screenshot of the device. SyncBlue is a real-time remote tool for the BlueSphere platform. Unlike traditional E2E remote device control, SyncBlue uses Tencent Cloud live streaming, enabling low latency, efficient remote control of registered devices worldwide. Now, click the Start Session button. Start with Inquiry requires confirmation from the device side. Mandatory Start will directly start the session on the device. The maximum session duration for SyncBlue is 30 minutes. After starting the session, you can check the related information of the remote video in the connectivity status. You can also select the video resolution. Click the drop-down menu to select the resolution you need. In addition to remote device access, you can also perform quick operations on the device in SyncBlue, such as shutting down, restarting, opening the notification bar, opening the Settings app, and waking up the device. You can click the record icon to record the current session window. After starting recording, click the red button to stop recording. The recorded file will be available in the screen recording options on the right side. You could playback, download, or delete the record files. You can also click the screenshot button in the bottom right to capture a screenshot of the session window. Screenshots can be viewed in the screenshot options on the right side. Last but not least, SyncBlue supports multiple users accessing the session simultaneously. In the user list, you can see the users currently in the session. Only one user has control over the remote device, while other users can only view the session. The user controlling the remote session can click on other users in the session to transfer control permissions. When using SyncBlue, the duration is calculated and consumes licenses. You can navigate to System, Logs, SyncBlue Bills to view the bills. Thanks for watching. We hope this video could help.